Hey guys, I'm just getting up. It's about 5 o'clock. I just made myself some coffee. See? Ooh, coffee. And in a little while, I'm gonna wake Mom at like 6:30, and we're going to the gym. So, see you guys soon. Peace. Hey guys, okay, I was just looking over and having coffee with my pug, my Doji, and I was telling him, oh Doji, I love you, you're my buddy, and Cosmo, as needy as he is, came over and he jumped up on my lap and he was like, what about me? Of course he didn't say that, but, you know, he had the look in his eyes when he was looking at me, and he's like, we were like nose to nose. And I was like, wow, you're needy. And he barks. So, obviously he agrees with me. Alright, you know what I was just thinking? You know how they say if you have a good dog, who needs a woman? Well, I have 1, 2, 3, and there's another one on the couch. So if you don't need a woman if you have a good dog as a companion, what's stray dogs mean? Say hi, puppy. Say hi, puppy, puppy. Say hi, puppy. Hi, camera. Hi, camera. Look at me. Look. Oh, I'm bowing to you. I love you, camera. Hello. What? How about you, man? You want to say anything? Doji? I already said something in your blog. I hijacked it a couple months ago. Guys, Corey's an asshole for waking up so early. He woke us up. I need coffee. One thing you guys don't know about my mom is she went through a midlife crisis and she got a bike, like a motorbike or motorcycle thing. So she's driving for the first time since summer. And I wanted to get a before picture so when she goes out there and like breaks her neck on ice, at least then they know what she looked like. Here's her bike. Isn't it nice? Kids, don't try this at home. Let's see, could she drive it without falling? Could she drive it without crashing? Could she get out of the driveway? We'll see. Oh, don't get out of the driveway. Well, sorry guys, thought I was gonna get a good crash video. Something funny though, when she was coming home from work over the summer, she pulled into my grandmother's driveway, and she didn't crash the whole way home. But when she got to my grandmother's driveway, she went and crashed and burned. It was really funny. And then, like, she didn't even care, like, if it hurt or not. She jumped right up and made sure her bike was, like, okay, and made sure no one saw. Because we've all been telling her, oh, you're gonna fall, you're gonna break your neck. So, she didn't want anyone to see it when she fell.